Hello and welcome to my tiny tarot practice. I'm your host, Amelia Fruby, and this is my tiny tarot practice. Today's card is the Two of Pentacles. In the Rider-Waite-Smith edition of the deck, the Two of Pentacles features a juggler balancing two golden coins that are looped by an infinity symbol. In the background, we see perhaps the sea, and just kind of a lovely, playful image overall is the feeling that it gives me. This card is often, as I was reading about it in the works of Jessica Crispin and Jessica Dorr and Rachel Pollack, it's thought of as a card of play, of pleasure, of fun, of the mundane. Or in the mundane, I should say. The play that can happen in our day-to-day lives as we move between tasks, between projects, between worlds, even as we juggle, as this juggler does, the many things that we're passionate about. I really enjoy how Jessica Crispin writes in the Creative Tarot that the Two of Pentacles can be an invitation to have fun with everything that's on our plate. And she even says that perhaps it's, when we're feeling overwhelmed by creative projects, often we think that we need to let one go or into something or be more boundaried around it. And she's like, perhaps we actually need to take on something different, a new sort of thing that can be a creative diversion and place to pour our energy when we're feeling stuck or unsure in one spot. And I really resonate with that idea that sometimes we need not less, but more. That's certainly not always true, but I think the Two of Pentacles is an invitation to consider that. What if what I need right now is more, not less? And how can holding more bring me pleasure, bring me fun, bring me play? How can I approach it playfully? As someone with an always overwhelmed to-do list and schedule, this card is really an invitation to me to do some mindset work and to think about how I can enjoy the day-to-day more as I move through the many things that I'm juggling. And in fact, this card has carried me or guided me on many a season in my life, particularly recently when I've launched a business and am juggling many things. And the Two of Pentacles is a lovely reminder to bring a little ease to my day-to-day just through how I approach each task and handling multiple tasks. I also think that we can see the Two of Pentacles as an invitation or an invocation for how we are to approach our journey through the Pentacles as we explore the suit ahead. As I've shared before, I think of aces as both the beginning, but really a card that encompasses the entirety of the suit. And as a result, I think of the twos as actually the first step of the journey. And so the Two of Pentacles, then, if it's our first step into and through the journey of the Pentacles, the two becomes an opportunity for us to bring play and playfulness to the journey through the Pentacles. And I think this is particularly important because the Pentacles are the suit of Earth, and this journey can feel intense. It can feel like it weighs us down. Our relationship to materiality can feel like it weighs us down. Our relationship to wealth and resources can feel very heavy, but it doesn't have to. And I think the Two of Pentacles is reminding us at this very first step of the journey that we can bring play and we can bring pleasure all the way through this miraculous walk through nature, as we might think of our journey through the Pentacles. All right, my lovely listener, that's it for today's exploration of the Two of Pentacles. If you'd like to reference any of the books that I mentioned or the thinkers, the tarot guides that I mentioned in this episode, you can head to the show notes where you'll find a link to my bookshop. That is an affiliate link. If you make a purchase through that link, I'll receive a small payment that helps me keep this podcast going. I hope you'll explore the books, and I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for being here.